Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using Facebook's official recovery route. Don't try third-party tools. Go to the login page and choose Forgot Password, then find your account via email, phone, or name. Once located, use the code sent to the linked contact or select No longer have access to start identity verification. Make sure to work from a device and location Facebook recognizes. This reduces friction and speeds approval. Prepare a clear photo ID and any recent login timestamps before proceeding to the next phase. Next, follow the identity verification flow carefully. Upload a clear, color photo of an accepted ID and fill any form fields exactly as your ID shows. Once done, add supplemental info, screenshots of security notices, recent login times, and names of trusted contacts if asked. Facebook reviews submissions manually. Be concise and factual in any explanation fields. Make sure file sizes and formats match the requirements to avoid delays. Then submit and wait for the confirmation email from Facebook. Finally, monitor the email Facebook uses to communicate updates and follow instructions exactly when they approve recovery. Once you regain access, change the password, remove unknown devices, and set up a fresh two-factor method you control. Store backup codes in a secure place. If verification is denied, use the Trusted Contacts option or submit the account recovery form again with additional supporting documents. One key troubleshooting tip. If the automated flow stalls, try the process from a familiar device or network before resubmitting documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.